The Smart Review presents the 5 best home coffee maker. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 5. Bundt MCU Single Cup Multi-Use Home Coffee Brewer. This brewer has a stainless steel water tank and a removable drip tray, so you could also use a cup or travel mug for your coffee. One interesting feature is this brewer uses some K-cup packs to brew coffee instead of coffee beans or grounds. Bundt MCU is also recommended as one best K-cup coffee maker. Bundt also has many other K-cup machines, such as Bundt MC My Cafe with the K-cup packs. You could also brew tea and many kinds of coffee drinks. This single-cup brewer has great ratings. It is regarded as one of the best single-cup coffee maker. Coming off our list at number 4. Capresso 464.05. Featuring a fully programmable coffee maker with a built-in conical burr coffee grinder, this machine can brew up to 10 cups of coffee. It has the digital control panel, wherein you can program the grinder in one of the 5 grind settings, and the machine to brew your desired amount of coffee. It also features the digital clock timer, pause and serve function, adjustable strength of coffee extraction, automatic shut-off after 2 hours to save on energy consumption, and an option to brew with or without the burr grinder. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Halfway of our list at number 3. Cuisinart DCC2900 Programmable Coffee Maker. The Cuisinart Perfect Temp Thermal Coffee Maker features state-of-the-art coffee-making technology that turns up the temperature to deliver hotter coffee, while retaining coffee's full flavor and quality throughout the brewing process because temperature is as important as taste. This machine is ideal for coffee lovers who prefer hotter coffee. The oversized digital display illuminates the full range of programmable options, including regular and bold flavor settings. The styling is sleek, with elegant angles and a new high-tech look with an extremely user-friendly control panel. Cuisinart provides a limited 3-year warranty for this product. Nearing the top of our list at number 2. Jura Impressa J9 One Touch TFT. Jura's Impressa coffee systems are some of the most loved in the industry. Their Impressa J9 has everything you need to brew a range of coffee drinks, from a simple cup of coffee to exquisite lattes and cappuccinos. A super simple user interface on a TFT display makes it a breeze to brew drinks to your exact specifications, and the settings are highly customizable for strength, size and temperature. The powerful 6-level conical grinder has heads made of hardened steel for durability. A stainless steel vacuum milk container keeps milk fresher longer, while fine foam technology ensures a perfect froth every time. The height-adjustable spouts allow you to brew into coffee cups of all sizes. And coming in at number 1 of our list. DeLonghi ESAM 3300. DeLonghi is one of the most common home appliances brand in Italy, and you can find most coffee shops and households using a DeLonghi coffee maker to make their espresso on a daily basis. Coffee lovers are very particular about their coffee, and froth is one of the things that turn out to be the difference between a good coffee and a great coffee. Not every coffee maker can ensure that creamy froth over the cappuccino cup, but the patented cappuccino system of the DeLonghi ensures you get great frothing in every cup of coffee that you make. For more information, check out the description underneath the video. Thanks for watching our video. For more, subscribe to our channel.